एक जो है वो सस्ता है, 100 का जो है ना वो बड़ा सस्ता है, 1200 रुपए में। All right, hello everyone. Safia, fantastic. You're all set. Where are your friends? I would love to see them. We have 5 minutes, don't worry. And we'll get started in 5 minutes time, okay? All right, brilliant. Okay, everybody, welcome to this amazing thing. And Shabana ma'am's taken over. Go ahead. I'll anyway make Alfia ma'am, I also made you the co-host. You want to take over, Alfia ma'am? Get started. You have so many things to say. You don't have to, prepare or think.
Really? Okay, so
hello everybody.
Oh, there she is.
I hope you can hear me and see me.
We can't see you, ma'am.
But we can hear.
That's because I'm invisible. I put on my invisible cloak. You know that?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. Hello.
There you are.
Yay! See, we talk about science and everything in our class, and I was invisible. All my molecules and atoms, am I right? Shruti ma'am disappeared, and here I am back again. So welcome to the first event of Golden Sparrow, the one in the pine. Yes, spell B. Okay, now you know how it goes about with the Golden Sparrow. So we'll be taking from one step to another, one level to another. All are interesting. And remember, they are designed and developed by your teachers, all right? So we're going to start with Shruti ma'am first, and then it will go on to Alfia ma'am, and then finally to me. So, all right. And can you hear that sound, Shruti ma'am, Alfia ma'am?
Yes,
Yeah, buzzing.
Yes. Buzzing of the bee.
Starts now. Shruti ma'am, you're
Go ahead, Shruti ma'am. Take the lead.
Okay. So one by one, I'll be giving 3 words, right, to each of them. Right? So I'll just start with my list. First one will be Farhana.
Yo, Farhana.
Where is Farhana? Yeah.
Farhana is right there. Okay, sorry, Shruti ma'am. Just letting them know the expectations are very high, not for the answers, but for muting and unmuting.
Yeah.
And for cheering up, okay.
All of you can be unmuted. You can keep your mics on unless there's a background noise, so you all know that. But do not answer. That's all. The Curies were like very well on that, so you have to raise the bar, okay? All of you unmute yourself, absolutely fine.
Okay, shall we start? Farhana, you can unmute yourself. Humaira, please mute yourself.
Yeah, if there's a background noise, just mute yourself, all right, everybody?
Okay. Okay, Farhana, your first word is hemoglobin.
Do I have to say it right now?
Yeah.
HAEMOGLOBIN.
Yes, great, good. Second word is pulmonary.
Pulmonary.
Good, very good. And third word is tricuspid.
Tricuspid.
Very good, Farhana. Excellent.
So what do we do?
Whoa, Farhana. Congratulations. You already Dr. Farhana Patel.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. So should we go to the next student? Yeah, next one is Safia. Okay, are you ready, Safia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start. Chlorophyll.
CH
Yes.
LOROPHYL.
That's all?
Chlorophyll, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It is double L. Okay, that's okay, no problem. Okay, next one is trachea.
TRACHEA.
Good, very good. Okay, next one is platelet.
What?
Platelet.
Platelet.
Yeah, platelet. It is there in blood?
Yeah. PLATLATE.
You can write down and say, platelet.
Okay, ma'am. Platelet, na?
Yeah.
PLATELATE.
Okay, L-E-T is the word. Okay, platelet.
Ma'am, I thought you said platelet.
It is
The plate
platelet.
came late. She meant the plate came late, Shruti ma'am.
I told you it is in blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. No issues. Okay,
Okay,
next
well
is
Blood group. It's okay.
listen, Safia.
Please.
Come on.
Great,
Okay.
Safia.
Okay, next is Amina. Amina, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Pancreas.
PANCREAS.
Good. Capillary.
CAPILLIRES.
Capillary. Only capillary, not capillaries.
Then S.
You speak again.
CAPILLERIE.
It is CAPILLARY. Okay, capillary. Okay. Okay, next is atrium.
ATRIUM.
Good.
Well
done.
done, Amina. Lovely.
Oh, yum,
Hey.
yum, Amina.
Okay, next is Humaira. Humaira, ready?
Yes.
Okay. First word is aorta.
AORTA.
Yeah, very good. Next is cardiac.
What, ma'am?
Cardiac arrest. It happens, no? So cardiac. Just try.
EARDIAC.
Yeah, very good. Next word is ventricle.
VENTRICLE.
CLE. Last three letters are CLE. Okay. So your 3 words are over. It's okay. Humaira, well done.
Well done,
Oh,
Humaira.
Humaira. Well
I guess
done,
she was
Humaira.
giving one more ventricle, ma'am. Shruti ma'am. We have
Yeah.
2 ventricles. She was adding one more to it, I guess.
Yeah.
Right, Humaira.
Center
Well done.
ventricle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next is Muazzam. Yeah, Muazzam, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first word is bronchiole.
BROCHYOLE.
Just repeat, bronchiole.
BROCHIOLE.
You are missing N in between. I'm speaking bronchiole. So N is also there. Okay. So BRONCHIOLE. Okay.
Beep.
Okay.
Just a
Next.
light nasal sound, you know, that's why
Yeah.
no N for.
Okay. Next word is alveoli.
ALVEOLI.
Yes. Very good. Well, alveoli. Okay. Next one is photosynthesis.
PHOTOSYNTHESES.
SIS. Okay. Photosynthesis. Okay. Well done, Muazzam. Next. Mudabbir.
Oh, so the M&M brothers on
Yeah,
the
together.
roll.
Yes.
Okay, Mudabbir. Diaphragm.
DIAPHRAGM.
Very good. Next is pharynx.
PHRAY.
Pharynx. Yeah. Yeah.
PHARYNX.
Very good. Next is mitral.
MITRAL.
Yeah. Excellent. Very good, Mudabbir.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go Eminem.
What
way
was
to
the
go.
second word, ma'am? Please repeat.
Pharynx. PH
Pharynx. Okay, fantastic.
throat. Okay. Next is Muneeb. Muneeb, are you ready? Okay. Unmute yourself, Muneeb.
There is background music, so I will
Acha, okay, we will answer. Okay, fine. Okay. Systemic.
SYSTEMIC.
Yes, very good.
Good, Muneeb.
Exercise.
EXECERICE.
Just tell me once more.
EXERCISE.
CERCISE. Okay. Epiglottis.
EPIGLOTTIS.
Very good, Muneeb. Well done.
Lovely, lovely.
Muneeb, well done. So how will you say Shah Rukh Khan with the epiglottis? How will you pronounce it, Muneeb?
Khan.
Yeah, Khan, right? Fantastic.
Don't do it if you have cold.
He will pronounce using larynx, na? Vocal cord. Okay, who is next? Next is Ahmad. Ahmad, ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Okay. Your first word is esophagus.
ESOFPH. Okay. Let me restart.
Yeah.
ESOPHAGUS.
Yes, esophagus. Hypertension.
HYPERTENSION.
Wait.
Whoa, Ahmed. Thank
Okay.
you. I only
Amylase. One word is left. Amylase.
AMYLASE.
Very good, Ahmad. Well done.
Fantastic, Ahmad.
Okay, next, Sakleen. Sakleen is not there.
He's there, he's there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ready, Sakleen?
Yes.
Your first word is bronchus.
Can you repeat the word?
Bronchus.
Bronchus. BRONCHUS.
Yes. Yes, very good. Okay. Then you have artery.
ARTERY.
Yes, very good. Then you have, next one is carbohydrate.
CARBOHYDRATE.
Yes, very good. Very good. Well done,
Fantastic,
Saklin.
Saklin. Brilliant.
Last, Abdullah. Abdullah,
Yes,
ready?
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Your first word is aneurysm.
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Aneurysm.
मालूम ही नहीं हमको कौन सा word है.
It is a disease where blockage of artery takes
Abdullah,
place.
मालूम है.
Blockage of artery. Just try aneurysm.
It's okay, Abdullah. Just go ahead.
Just by the pronunciation, you can say.
Yes, ma'am. First time I'm hearing this word.
It is there on the slide.
It's okay. You can just use it. just. And it will come
Abdullah,
to you.
it's not Shabana ma'am. She has taught you. That's Shruti ma'am. Go
You
ahead.
can try. It's okay. No
Yeah. ENIORISM. ANEURYSM. Okay. Okay,
It was
that's
close
okay.
by. Abdullah, not bad.
Yeah.
You were close to
चार
it.
पांच बड़ी
Good
इधर
attempt.
हुए.
Good attempt.
Okay, that's okay. No problem. Circulation.
CIRCULATION.
Yes, correct. Respiration.
RESPIRATION.
Yes, very good, Abdullah. That was a
Oh,
different.
lovely,
difficult
Abdullah.
word. It's okay. No issues.
Well done.
Well done.
Oh.
So that's all.
We've done with everybody.
Yeah.
What about Shabana ma'am and Alfia
No,
ma'am?
I was going to say Dawood sir. Shruti ma'am.
Yes,
Dawood
that's
sir.
he's been tinging everybody for every wrong answer. Like ting, ting. Let's check his spelling first.
You have to give him some
Come
words,
on.
okay?
Bring
Yeah.
it up.
Okay, I'll give him his favorite word, diaphragm.
Oh my God. कौन सा word आ गया?
Die from what?
Diaphragm. DIAGHPRAM.
No, you went too fast. That was cheating.
It's like ABCD LMNO.
Ma'am, tell me it's right or wrong. That's all. It's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. Who will correct her?
What?
I challenge Farhana to say the spelling.
I know.
Diaphragm.
It's so easy.
Oh my God. Abdullah.
Yes.
I did the same thing sitting in KBC chair. You know, I said, अरे इसको आता नहीं 1 करोड़ तो मैं जीत के आता.
Yes, come on, Abdullah.
I'll tell.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
please.
Farhana,
Yeah,
I give
Abdullah.
Abdullah. I challenge Farhana, but it's okay. She's letting you do.
DIAGHRAM.
Yeah,
Oh.
PH.
geometry. It was diaphragm, which is in your parts of the body, right?
Right.
Okay. What about Shabana ma'am, Alfia ma'am, and you can't leave them. Shazia is here.
I'm expert in it. You just say it and I've got it. It's
I know that.
DIAPHRAGM.
Yes.
Thank you.
I know,
Alfia,
I know, Shabana ma'am, bio is your favorite subject, right?
Yeah.
Aparna ma'am. What about Aparna ma'am?
Draw it for you.
Okay,
No.
then.
Spellings for me, please.
She'll draw. She'll draw.
Only
it for you.
art.
She can draw diaphragm.
Yeah.
Okay. My last for this round, last word is for Shruti ma'am. Okay, Shruti ma'am, are you ready?
Okay, don't give me difficult word.
No, it's just an easy word.
In front of my
Ma'am,
students.
please spell ornithopulmokinesis.
What is it?
I can't repeat. I forgot what I said.
That's so
Palmo, I heard. I can spell that.
kinesis.
Ornithopulmokinesis.
Is that a word or you made it up?
Yes, he
Because
totally
I'm
made it
God,
up. And why is it cis? Why not bro?
It has got kinesis of physics. It has got pulmo of biology. And what was the first part?
Ornitho.
That I don't know.
All right, so we got our first round. It's wonderful. I win the round. That's okay.
Ding, ding.
She was waiting to do that, you know. All right, Alfia ma'am, it's over to you. Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, so everybody, welcome to the second round of Spell Bee. And this is the rapid fire round. I'm going to share my screen with you. There you are. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. So it's a rapid fire round, and obviously the words have been asked from whatever we've covered so far in English and SDG, if you remember. Okay. Now the rules of the game are as follows on your screen. The participants have to guess the word from the hints given on the screen and spell it. Okay. So not only will you guess the word what it is, you have to spell the word as well. In order to answer. Thank you. In order to answer, each participant is required to press the raise hand icon on Zoom. All right, so you got to raise your hand, like you can show it on the screen, or you can press the icon. Yes, Ahmed did it right now. Thank you, Ahmed. You can lower your hand. Okay, the third rule is participants will get only 30 seconds to answer. So after the question or the hint is displayed, to answer you get 30 seconds. Correct answers carry 10 points each. And the final rule, you have to be rapid, you have to be fire. So let's burn it all. All right, the first question on your screen. A woodland that sheds leaves. It's a woodland, a forest that sheds leaves.
Can we have a hint?
Yes, it's one of the ecosystems. It's a forest that sheds leaves during autumn.
First letter.
You are not getting first letter of any spelling. Come on, it's spell bee. What's that?
There's no negative marking. Please go ahead and
Yeah, that's fine.
answers.
Amina, come on, give it a try.
Deciduous forest.
That's right. Can you spell it, Amina?
Yes.
DECIDIOUS.
Okay, it is DUOUS. Okay, there it is. Temperate deciduous. DECIDUOUS. Okay. So yeah, next. Hoodies started this trend. This trend was started with the Ahmed, go ahead.
Athleisure.
Perfect, Ahmed. Can you spell it for us?
ATHLEISURE.
Perfect, Ahmed, and that's the correct answer. ATHLEISURE. Woohoo! Next, what's opposite of cosmic or heavenly? Heavenly, something that is in the sky. The opposite. Ahmed Kazi, go ahead.
Earthly.
Earthly. All right. What is another word for earthly?
Come on, Eminem, Farhana.
Amina, go ahead.
Death.
Deadly.
Deadly, no.
Deadly.
Ahmed. You can quickly raise your hand and answer. Okay. So he said earthly. Another word for earthly. We did it with the ecosystems. Come on. SDG goal number 15.1.
Terrestrial.
Perfect, Ahmed. Can you spell it for us?
TERREST RAIL.
RAIL? There it is.
No.
TERREIL. Yes. TRIAL. All right. Next. What is the assistant of main clause?
Mummy.
Yes.
Sakleen is the hand.
Sakleen, go ahead, Sakleen.
Subordinate clause.
Perfect. Spell it, Sakleen.
SUB. SUBB.
Okay.
No. SUBORDINATE.
Perfect, Sakleen.
Fantastic.
Humaira wants to attend.
SUB.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Humaira also raised the hand. You wanna let her attend?
Next question, should I just direct it to Humaira first? How about that? Forests found alongside a river body. It's a tricky one. Forests that are found alongside a water body. Ahmad, go ahead.
Agroforestry.
Agroforestry.
Abdullah
Yes.
Saqib is raising
Abdullah, go ahead. Answer, Abdullah.
It is iguana, something like that. It was, I think.
No, it's not iguana.
Okay.
You want an iguana haircut though. Safia, how about you? Yes.
Rainforest.
Rainforest. I think we'll let Amina take a chance. Yes, Amina, go ahead. Amina, unmute yourself, Amina.
Riparian forest.
Riparian forest, perfect, Amina. Can you spell it for us?
Yo!
RIPIRIAN.
How about Farhana? Farhana, go ahead and spell it for us.
It is RIPARIAN.
Perfect, Farhana. That's the correct answer. Okay, so Amina gave away the answer and Farhana spelled it. Perfect.
You know, if you listen to... Okay, go on, please.
Okay. Use resources, keeping in mind the future. One word that means to use resources, keeping in mind the future. Ahmad Kazi.
Yes.
Sustainable development.
Sustainability or sustainable development. Okay, I accept the answer. Can you spell it for us, Ahmad?
SUSTAINABLE.
ABLE. Okay, sustainable. There he is. So it's sustainability. Perfect. We accept that answer too. All right. Next. Type of forest underwater for 6 months. It's a type of forest that stays underwater for 6 months.
Okay.
Abdullah Saqib, he said iguana. He was close that time.
Come on. Give it a try. Come on, Ahmad Qazi again.
Ahmad, go ahead.
Yeah, go on, Ahmad.
Igapo forest.
Igapo forest, and that's the correct answer, Ahmad. Can you spell it for us?
IGAPO.
Perfect. IGAPO. That's lovely. Igapo is the correct answer. All right. It's a combination of preposition, adverbs, and conjunction. It's a combination of preposition, adverbs, and okay, M&M Brothers.
Connectives.
Connectives, perfect. Can you spell it for us, Mudabbir?
CONNECTIVES.
Perfect, and that's the correct answer. It's connectives.
Oh,
there you are. Okay, that's the end of the rapid fire round, and lovely.
It was fun. Why?
It was fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so how?
There we do. Wonderful. Yeah, go ahead, Shabana ma'am.
Okay, how did you all find it, the rapid fire? Were you all on fire? Yeah.
Ahmed says 120 points. Yeah, Ahmed, yo.
You know what? You all are such smooth talkers. You know, I read your persuasive speech, you know, your persuasive writing, which you try to persuade your parents. And last time when you had a speech wherein you tried to persuade Thanos. Yeah, fantastic. You all are such smooth talkers, you know. So I said when their tongue is so smooth and silky, let's give them something for it. Okay, so are we ready, guys?
Yes.
Yo!
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so it's tongue twister challenge. Are we all ready for it? Okay, whoever wants to go first will raise their hand. Will be given one chance only. Yeah, there we go. Who's going first? Go on. Who's going first? Come on. Ahmad Qazi, go on. He raised his hand. Go on, Ahmad Qazi.
Okay. He says that a two twice twisted twine twisted twice twist twice as tight as a one twisted twine twisted twice.
And then?
Yeah, go
And
on.
then,
Continue, Ahmed.
but I say that a two twice twisted twine twisted twice does not twist as tight as one twisted twine twisted twice.
Oh! Now Ahmed's going to explain what it means now. All right. Yeah.
Well done. Well
I
done.
had no idea.
Okay, here we go. Come on, girls. Buckle up. Okay, we have Mundeep. He's raised his hand. Go on, Mundeep.
Three Swedish witches watch. Three Swiss watches switches. Which Swedish switch which watch which Swiss watch which.
Oh!
Wish. There I am.
I loved it, okay? The swish watch and which watch was okay, great, going on, okay? By the way, which watch do you like, Munib? Munib? Okay, y'all can ask me which watch I like. You know, it's
Which one do you like, ma'am?
So y'all can gift me, right? Remember, Sparrow's
Smartphone.
crystals anytime.
My smartwatch.
I hope Golden Sparrow is hearing this.
Yeah, I'm going to pass it on to Imran bhai. Recordings.
Okay, next who's going for this? Yes, okay, we had Abdullah Saqib raising his hand. Go on.
Yeah. Toad tree, toad tied with the 2, 3 toad tree, toad's toes to the third toad's toes. Then the two tied 3 tree toads told the third 3 toad tree toad that tying their toes together thrilled them to their toad tips.
Okay, well done, Abdullah Saqib. But you know the rule is you guys are going a bit slow. You need to go it real fast. Activity. Well
Ma'am,
done.
can you read it once, ma'am?
Whoa!
Okay, toad tree,
there he
toad, the 2 3 toad tree toes to the 3 toad toes. Then the 2 tie 3 toad 3 toes told the third 3 toad 3 toes that bind their toes together till then.
Ma'am, it was not to be recited in Gujarati.
My turn.
Good
My
choose
turn.
wrong now, right?
My turn.
Okay, we go ahead.
That's not the correct word.
Okay. Sophia, go on. Okay. Sophia, now winner. So we go one by one.
Alright. If you must cross a cross crow around a crowded cow crossing across the cross cow around the crowded cow crossing carefully.
Fantastic.
Was that Japanese?
Wow, that's not Japanese.
Yeah, Ahmed, that was Korean.
Amina. Amina, go ahead.
If you must cross a course, go across the crowded crossing, cross the cross cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully.
Fantastic.
Wow.
Careful, Amina. Oh, that was very careful. Wonderful, Safia. That was real swift. Good.
Go on, Farhana, go on.
If you must cross a course, cross cow across a crowded cow crossing across the cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully.
Okay. I
Cool.
think it goes to Safiya. Well done, Safiya. Fantastic. Okay, now there's the next one, guys. Yes. Sakleen, go
Sakleen.
on.
Yeah,
Sakleen,
Sakleen.
go on. And then Humaira.
A better biting bittern with a better biting bittern, and the better biting bittern with the better biting bittern back. Said the better biting bittern to the better biting bittern, I am a better biting bittern back.
Fantastic, Sakleen.
Oh,
Go on.
Who bit who, Sakleen?
Humaira.
The better biting bittern.
A bitter biting bittern, better biting bittern, and the better biting bitten back. Said the bitter biting bitten to the bitter biting bitten. I am a bitter biting bitten back.
Oh, I
Whoa.
want Mosam and Mudabbir to do it together. Well done, Humaira.
A bitter biting bittern with a better biting bittern and a better biting bittern with the bitter biting bittern back. Said the bitter biting bittern to the better biting bittern. I am a bitter biting bittern bitten back.
All right, Muazzam.
Okay. So,
Mudabbir.
who is the bitter bitten and who is the bitter bitten?
Mudabbir hasn't spoken. Have you?
No, he has to speak. I'm just trying to figure out who's the bitter bitten and who's the bitter bitten. Between Mosam and Mudabbir. Come on, guys.
Mosam is the better biter and Mudabbir is the better bitten.
That's lovely. That's well said.
Okay. I'm trying to figure. Okay, go on, Mudabbir.
A bitter biting bittern with a better biting bittern and the better biting bittern with the bitter biting bittern back. Said the bitter biting bittern to the better biting bittern. I am a bitter biting bittern bitten back.
Definitely, you're a better
Oh.
fantastic. Okay, we go ahead now. Okay. So all the teachers, be aware. This is for my Shruti ma'am, the math genius. Come on, Shruti ma'am. Shruti ma'am, you don't go away now, okay?
Yeah, a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. So if a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically, why can't I mathematize mathematics mathematically like a mathematician who mathematizes mathematics mathematically?
Oh, that was super.
That's too much maths.
Any of the golden sparrows can be better than math. Come on, raise your hands. Who can be better than
Come
math?
on, come on.
Come on, guys.
Challenge. Who's gonna challenge the
Safia
teacher?
challenging.
Yeah, come on. Who is it?
Mathematician can I.
Yes, go on.
First, let me.
Come on.
A mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. So the mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. Why can I mathematize mathematics mathematically like mathematics who mathematize mathematics mathematically? Done.
Fantastic, Sophie. You know what? These are your students. They love maths and you can show it. You know, it's just seen out that they can mathematize like you. Okay. Now this one is for my two special teachers. Shazia and Aparna. Come on, Shazia. I want your video on. Come on, Aparna, Shazia.
Yes, I'm here. Okay. How can I go ahead before
You need
Aparna?
to speak fast.
Yes, sure.
I have to be bit fast.
Yeah, and you have to say this at least 3 times.
Okay, let me try. How can a clam cram in a cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Fantastic, and you get a diamond ring from the
Now are you listening, right?
Yes, I am.
Take note.
Aparna,
Okay.
yes, you have to go ahead with it because you keep on doing lots and lots of painting with the brushes. So you have to go in an infinite loop, okay?
Okay. How can a clam okay, once again. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
For you in Switzerland, Himchin, please take up for a holiday. Well done. And now for the rock star.
This was really difficult, Shabana.
Well, I know it. Alfia, where's my rock star? This one is for you. We love you, Alfia, man. Whoa!
You did not. Oh my god.
I feel when you like South Korea, so
Nobody have got the English translation below.
Which one should I go ahead with? The Korean or the English?
Korean.
You all have cornered me this time, haven't you? Okay.
Ask the wrong question, Alfia ma'am.
All right. Gan jang gong jang yun jang gong jang e go duin jang gong jang yun gang gong jang ita.
Ma'am, you read in English.
Ma'am,
Okay, anybody
is
else?
it English?
Which
No,
student
Mida,
wants to
I'm
take the
very
teacher
sorry.
on? Come on. Which student wants to take the teacher on? Come on, who wants to go?
I can't read in Korean. I can read it in
Yeah,
English.
you can read the
Oh, Abdullah
transliteration.
Saqib, I saw you raising
Ma'am,
hands.
me.
Yes, Munib, after Abdullah, you'll go ahead. Go on, Abdullah Saqib.
Yeah. Ma'am, this is, yeah, okay. Gan, jang, gon, jang, gong, jang, jang, yon, jang, gong, jang, I go, doing, jang, gong, jang, jang, yon, gang, gong, jang, Aida.
This is a tough twister. Abdullah.
Wow,
this is a tough
Abdullah.
twister. Speed. Come on, Munib. I want speed. Yes, Farhana, you go next after Munib.
Gan jang gong jang yun jang gong jang e go dun jang gong jang yun gang gong jang ida.
Gang gone. Gang gone.
Ma'am, it should be this I1 should be Aida, Nana.
Okay, Farhana, I want you to go rapid.
Ida.
Why should we say Ida, ma'am? It's Aida.
Okay.
Rap. Yo. Go on.
In 10 seconds.
Gang jang gong jang yun jang gong jang e go dun jang gong yun gang gong jang ida.
Okay, and we got a public demand for Dawood sir to do it. So Dawood sir,
In Korean.
Yes,
but-
yes.
I'm-
Yes,
I'm
in
gonna-
Korean.
I'm gonna speak in Korean. If you don't understand, it's your problem.
We're fine with that. We're fine. Astaghfirullah. That's not Korean. Stop right there.
Okay, I'm speaking. All right.
and I give you
Go
full
ahead.
marks for it.
I was just muted.
He
Yeah.
aces the
No, you were unmuted.
Yes.
Okay, so we go ahead. Okay, now this one is the last one. It's supposed to be the toughest tongue twister, and I want whoever says it, they have to say it really fast and for the five times at least. Okay, 5 times, really fast. Here's the tongue twister.
Ma'am, it should be small then.
And it actually has a place in Guinness World Book Records. Okay,
Shabana,
you
ma'am.
already raised your hand. Yes, tell me.
But it should be small.
Okay.
Then, ma'am, if it's so big, then how will it read it 5
Oh,
times?
don't worry, Sophia. Your wish is my command and a small tongue twister for you. Here we go. Why aren't we going? Okay. Yeah, there it is.
6.
Sakleen, raise your hand. Go on,
Oh,
Sakleen.
where is Amina?
The six sheep is said to be the toughest tongue twister.
No, you have to say the first blue lines at least 5 times.
He read the orange ones too.
I can try.
Classic, Saglen. Classic.
The six sheep.
5 times.
5 times. The six sheep. 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 The six sheep.
Gone. Yes, who's next? Okay, Farhana, go ahead.
Mommy.
Who's me?
It's Amina.
Sakleen, you raised
I
hand
haven't
again.
heard
Okay.
Eminem. I haven't heard Amina Shabana,
Okay, go
ma'am.
on, Farhana, Amina. I'm giving a chance to everybody for this one. Go on.
The six sheep six. The six sheep six. The six sheep six. The six sheep.
Oh!
Next who's coming up?
Ma'am, can I try?
Shabani, go ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
The six sheep sick. The six sheep sick. The six sheep sick.
Only shake
Sheep sick.
The six shake, six sheep.
Wait. God. Anybody else wants to try?
Ma'am,
Amina, go ahead. That's Sophia. Amina, go ahead.
Let's everybody
Shake.
Yeah, everybody, let's do it together.
Yeah.
Six sheep shake. The six shake, six sheep sick. The six shake, six sheep sick. The six shake, six sheep sick. The six shake, six sheep sick.
Okay, we all go for this together. 1, 2, and 3, go. The
The six shake, six sheep sick.
The six
And shake and sheep.
My master.
The six
I thought you were saying
Six shake, six sheep sick.
okay. Oh, sorry, I thought you were going with the supply chain.
only 4
shake
and
it
1
out.
more is left. Six.
Brilliant. I really enjoyed with you guys. You know that. Anyways, this is
Aparna
not the
ma'am,
end.
one request. Can you take up English also? We are changing our literature circle.
Alfia, it's okay. Okay.
We don't mind.
This is not the end, we have more to go and we have something more for you. Let's decode. Okay. now
1
we'll
minute.
decode.
Can I just share the screen, please?
Yes, please, of course. I'll stop sharing, sir.
We done. That's for you, Shavana ma'am. 10 times in 10 seconds.
Okay. Funky forgotten funk sisters.
Can I be faster 10 times? Come on, everybody. Cheers, Shavana ma'am.
Go Shabana.
Okay, fine.
Shabana man.
Everybody mute yourself.
I said it more than 10 times.
Okay.
I deserve to be an English teacher because I can speak fast.
Yes.
Okay.
There you are. Sorry, Umayma and Abdullah. They think their mom is crazy, which actually is true, but it's okay.
It's okay. Imran is not there. It's still the time Imran is not there at school and fine. Yo.
So where do you think the kids get it from?
Hey, that's all right. Farhana, you're the only sane one in the family.
I think Farhana wouldn't attend her Monday session. Probably she'll be so embarrassed in front of her classmates like, this is my mom. Okay. Anyways, we start, okay? Decode. Okay, now what is decode? Decode is nothing but wherein
I'll just code it out. There'll be a code you have to decode it.
Yes.
Thank you, Sophia.
Fantastic, Sophia. That's
Obvious.
right. The code will be images. The code will be pictures. Okay, and you will have to tell me which business I'm talking about, which company I'm talking about, or it could be any particular location I'm talking about. So, do you get it? The images will be on your screen, and you will have to give me the answers. Looking at the image, you have to relate it to which particular name of the company, business, or location I'm talking. So, are we ready, everybody?
Yes.
That's so thunder. Yes. Come on, guys. Are we
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
Alfia ma'am put you
Yes.
on fire. Shruti ma'am made sure that all your organs are functioning properly. So come on, guys.
Yes.
Look at that. Fantastic. Here we go. Yeah, remember.
अम्मी चार्जर दो ना
Philips.
Come on.
Can I?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, please go
The
ahead.
company Philips.
Yay, the company.
चार्जर दो
Wow.
जल्दी दो चार्जर
Remember Philips? Okay. And guess what? His name is actually Philip, but I kept on saying Philips. And that's the reason I said I have to put him in this. So can anybody tell me about Philips company? Who can tell me something about Philips company? What is Philips into?
Electronics.
Perfect. The first thing that Philips introduced was like light bulbs. They started with the production of light bulbs. Okay. And which country does Philips company belong to? Which country is it from?
India.
Yeah, I like that. He's from India. the Philips Zumba dancer. Okay, but the company is a Dutch company. It's in Netherlands. Okay, and now they're too much into health products. Okay, so we move on to the second one. Are we okay with the second one?
Shabana ma'am, I have to intervene.
Yes, please.
So how
Yes,
can we-
please.
There you
Allow
are.
it.
They have to see what they did, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Very
The girls are rocking.
Oh no, no, wait. Oh my God. Hold on. Where are the weights, Philip? I'm stopping it. I'm stopping it. I'm stopping it. Hold on. No, no, no. This is too embarrassing. Back to you.
Oh my God. I'm so watching that session now.
Yeah, that was why I want to give you a tribute. You know, you actually are the Sanjay Dutt and Sunny Deol of dancing.
Woo! Was there a compliment? No! Yuck!
Okay, let's move ahead then. Okay, so next we have. Okay, that was Phillips. That was your answer. Okay. Come on.
Can I?
Oh, no. Anybody else? Farhana's already got one chance. Come on. Decode the picture, guys.
Key scissors.
Okay, Munib, ski scissors. Someone else. Shabana ma'am is going to join us. 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm here. Don't worry. I can never leave y'all.
Does it have to do with keyboard?
Think. Join the two pictures. Others I'll have to give it to Farhana. Come on, guys. Locking it. Okay. You have a key. And then something else. You have to combine the two pictures. Come on.
Lock and key.
Yay! I like that. I love that game, by the way. Lock and key. Come on.
Ma'am, that's not a game. That's a serial. दादी तुम्हें दिखाओ दादी Why is the voice so low?
No, hold on. She's coming back. Just a minute. Okay, Farhana, I think we should go to you before ma'am comes back. Yeah, it's okay, Abdullah. Shabana ma'am is back here. Hold on. Just unmute herself and she'll be in.
Yes. I mean, tell me, which company are we talking about? Abdullah Sahib. Yes. Amina, go on. Sorry? No. Come on, tell me. Come on, guys. You young generation is crazy about this company. You have a key. I'm saying a key. Just precede it with something which is on the picture ahead. Okay. Should I give it to Farhana? Yes, Farhana, go.
Nike.
A bomber is called Nike. Yeah,
Oh.
How?
Barber is called Nai in Hindi. So Nai and there's a key over there. Nike.
Oh yeah, I'm in the same way. Holding her head.
So what does the keyboard have to do with it?
Okay, so tell me about Nike.
Nike is a sports company.
Fantastic. And where is it from?
USA.
Fantastic. And it deals into it not only just produces, it even designs new products. Okay, you have your shoes, your apparels and everything. Perfect. Yes, it's Nike. Thank you so much. I'll give you the answer on the screen as well, Ahmad. There you go. It's Nike. Okay, right. Now we go ahead. You got the point. How are you going to decode your pictures? Okay, now let's see who can go with this one. Oops. Ammajan. I know. Ammajan. I know. Come on, guys. Ammajan. You're the accent counts. Accent of Ammajan. I'll give you another hint. They are in
Google.
Amazon. Awesome. It is Amazon. Fantastic. It's actually a joke that was being circulated on the WhatsApp. Security guy calls up and says, "आपकी अम्मा जान parcel लेकर आए हैं." And अम्मा जान? Who's अम्मा जान? And then he realized it's Amazon because the guy was from, I don't want to name the state, and he pronounces that Amma Jan. Got it? Amma Jan. Right. We go ahead now. This is an easy one. It's an easy one, guys.
This is a clock and a shoe.
Yes, go on. This is a very easy one. Ding, ding.
Clock sandal. What do you feel like? Cinderella.
Oh, my teachers can also. Okay, Farhana's raise her hand. All right, I'll give her a chance later. Anybody else? Come on.
Everybody unmute yourself. Come on, just attempt. It's okay.
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Oh, I love that Cinderella.
Because Cinderella, she has a time. The person tells exact 12 o'clock you have to come, and they give her a new sandal.
Okay.
And then the sandal.
Next time you want to design an assessment, you got to call Safia.
Which company? Which company? Safia, which company? Which company? Okay, if Cinderella was dancing, right? She would definitely upload her video somewhere.
What's Amina saying? Amina, louder.
Disney.
Disney.
No.
Saklan.
Imagine, I'm giving you a hint again, guys. Cinderella is dancing with the prince and then she's uploading her video somewhere. Where would that be? Come on, look at that.
Facebook.
TikTok.
Okay. Do I see a face out here? No, come on.
TikTok. Who said TikTok?
Did I ever say it? TikTok.
That was Ahmed, I guess.
Yes, it was Ahmed.
Oh, Ahmed.
It was TikTok. The heels make that sound. TikTok. The wall clock makes that sound. TikTok. Come on, guys. Okay. Now we go ahead. By the way, TikTok is from which country?
China.
Do we use it?
No.
Okay, fantastic. And who is the person who's the one who introduced TikTok? Who's the owner of that company?
Chinese person.
Of course, that's the Chinese person. Fantastic.
I don't know his name.
The company name is ByteDance. And who's the name? The name of the person. Come on. Anybody? Is Zhang Yiming. Okay, you can Google it because maybe you wouldn't understand the pronunciation. Okay, this is the next one for you. Come on, guys.
A carriage.
The answer is right on the screen. You just have to join the question.
That's all for
Disney.
No. What, Ahmad?
Cartoon.
Cartoons? No, come on, guys.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Come on, Sakleen, Mausam Mutafir, Munib, Abdullah.
Animals.
Oh, no, Farhana.
I know this movie. Wait.
Jungle Book.
It's one.
It's related to movie. It's just not related to movie. You have to combine the two words,
Ma'am,
okay?
it's from George Orwell's, ma'am.
Right?
It is from George Orwell's, huh?
No.
Flipkart.
Amina, go on. You just need
Animal
to pick
Farm.
the word
First
from that.
pictures word. That's all for.
Animal Farm.
Amina, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
It's the first pictures word. That's all for.
No, see, the hint is on the right, on the first part of the screen. The hint is over there. What is that particular thing called on which people are sitting?
Part.
Animal Farm.
Flipkart.
No. And you need to pick just one word from the That's
Chariot.
All, folks. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Think. Just one word from That's All, folks. Walk hard. No.
Animal Farm.
Horse cart.
Artful.
Horse cart.
Horse cart. No.
Horse
Artful.
carriage.
Start
Guys,
with.
it has to do with automobile. It has to do with automobile.
Volkswagen.
Brilliant.
Volkswagen.
Fantastic, Farhana.
What
Folks out
was
here,
that?
right? And it's
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Actually, the spelling is Volkswagen, but it is pronounced as Volkswagen. And Safiya, since you love automobiles so much, you can tell us where is it from? Volkswagen is come from which country?
Germany.
Fantastic. But do you know something? Though it's German.
It was invented by Hitler.
Yeah, yes, fantastic. Though it's German, the owners right now, the main people who own the stake out there are Austrians. Okay, now you know what? You people have solved many of them. You have decoded many of them. So this one is for your teachers. Are we ready? Where are the teachers?
Yes.
Aparna, Alfia, Shruti, Shazia, Dawood. Yo, come on.
And you also teacher, you should also answer it.
Yeah, I know the answer already, Safiya. Don't worry, your father will have something for me. Come on, Safiya.
Xbox 4.
Cheer them up. Come on, cheer your teachers. Look for your teachers. Come on.
Xbox 4.
Shazia.
I have no clue.
Xbox 4.
I would also support my
Xbox 4. I like that. I feel I'm super. Where's Shazia? Shruti? Come on.
Box 8. But 8 number is not there.
Shruti, Shazia, Shruti, come on.
Some clue.
Some clue.
This is not the name of a company, it's the name of a location. Where's Dawood Bhai? Come on, Aparna, where are you? Come on. The name of a very, very famous monument. Come on. A famous monument, okay? And this is actually the name of that monument which is on your screen.
Is it a church? Because the cross
It's in
sign.
New York.
Times Square.
Okay. It
New York
is
Times.
4 Times Square. Okay, this is the most famous building, and the name is not written in names like FOURTIMES 4 Times Square. It is actually, if you see on that screen, on the top of the building, you have a box that is like square, and then you have times. That's your multiplication sign, and that is number 4. So I think my students deserve an applause because the teachers could decode and the students could do it. Well done, sparrows.
Wow.
Guys, a big one for you all. Come on, clap, everybody.
Yay!
Big one for you.
And moving on. What's this now? What's this? Come on.
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, it's not seal, okay? Come on, decode this one. You just need to translate it. It's in French. You can Google it, guys.
Elfin.
You can Google it. Yes, Farhana.
Eiffel Tower.
Oh, no. You need to translate this word. These words are used in French. Yes, Ahmad?
Ma'am, is it a jumbled up word?
No, it's not jumbled. This is used in French. You know, mercy, thank you. Like, you know, mademoiselle, Jamievu, I like you. So these words are used in French. You can Google the translation.
The end.
Ratatouille.
The end. Fantastic. With this, we end the session. But can you pronounce this for me, please? How will you pronounce it?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. Yes, I want everybody to give it a try. Ahmad, go on.
Elephant.
Okay. Mozam Mudabbir, how would you pronounce it? The teachers, y'all want to give it a try? Come on, the teachers. How would you pronounce it?
Elfin.
Okay, fantastic. That was cool.
I pronounce it as elephant.
Right?
Yes.
I pronounce it as elephant.
Okay. It's L4. And that's the end of the session. Thank you so much. I had a great time with you people. The teachers, if you all want to say something, please go ahead and we can end the session in say about 2 minutes. Thank you very much.
Wow.
Yes, Shruti ma'am, Alfia ma'am, Shazia Aparna, Dawood bhai, please.
So I think this
Shabana.
was wonderful. We can stop the share and then
Yeah, I'll do
thank you, Abdullah. I think I'll let Alfia ma'am and Shruti ma'am do the honors. It's your team, it's your Mandelas.
Shruti ma'am,
Alicia.
go ahead, Shruti ma'am.
Okay. I really enjoyed the session. I loved kids enjoying the class. Mostly they are serious in the class. So here in this session, they were free enjoying, and I also enjoyed the session. So it was good.
So it was a lovely, lovely session, and it was so good to see Mandelas getting involved and answering.
Yeah.
And the excitement, it was amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making
I
it
could
such
see
a
the team bonding in the teachers. I could see the team working really hard. Y'all are the rock stars. Shruti ma'am, Shabana ma'am, Alfia ma'am. Really are rock stars.
Aparna ma'am, go ahead.
I had a great time. This is something super. Sure. And all the teachers great, and all the children are super great.
Yes,
Wow.
kids are super, so we uber.
No, seriously, they were like fantastic.
All right, I think it was wonderful the way you build up the entire thing. They, from Shruti ma'am's questions on the entire human body and the systems around. Alfia ma'am had this Arnab Goswami fire coming all over, lovely. And then it was the tongue twisters and the entire quiz. Thank you so much, fun, guys. You had fun.
Yes.
All right, everybody.
Yes.
See you back on Monday with your books. Okay.
And Monday, I won't be like this, okay? Right? Cool. So don't worry, attend my session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am.